Hi, today I will show you how to make one of Pangasinan's best meriendas called Bicho Bicho. Some call it Karioka or Cascaron. So in a mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar or raw sugar, 3/4 cup of coconut milk or gata, mix them through. Add in 1/2 cup of shredded young coconut. Okay, mix them through until it becomes a dough. And then shape them into small round balls. Fry them in hot oil in medium heat. Until they turn light to golden brown. Okay, so when all your Bicho Bicho balls are fried, okay, set them aside, and it's now time to prepare your syrup for sugar coating. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of water and 3/4 cup of white sugar or raw sugar. So add the water and sugar together. Okay, and bring it to a boil. Okay, until the sugar is dissolved and becomes frothy. Okay, then turn off the heat. So it's so important to turn off the heat before you add your fried Bicho Bicho balls. Okay, and then stir them through. So just continue stirring. Okay, the sugar coating will get better and becomes crystallized as you stir them through. Okay, keep going. So here you go. Here's my yummy Bicho Bicho or Karioka or Cascaron. And it's time for you to eat. And I made another version. It's oval shaped and I used raw sugar for coating. Okay, here's the other version. Okay, happy eating and thanks for viewing.